It's story time, so check this out. I was 18 years old when my mom took me to open up my very first savings account. I was I just graduated from high school and I had gotten all this cash, all of these checks from friends and family celebrating my big day, my graduation day. And my mom said, "You know what, Holly? I don't want you holding on to all this money. Let's go deposit it into a bank." So we went to our local credit union. We opened up an account, and my mom gave me a quick 5-minute lesson on how to track the withdrawals in my savings account. Now, let me ask you this. Do you think I learned how to save my money from that interaction? If you answered no, then you are correct. I absolutely did not. I'm showing my age, but marking the withdrawals down in my check register never showed me how to replenish the savings account. It never showed me how to grow my money over time or how, the bank would pay me interest or the credit union would pay me interest, right? And let me tell you, these are important lessons that we must expose our kids to before they leave the nest. Join me today as I jump into how you can start teaching your child how to save and invest at every stage. Hi, parents. I'm Holly Reed, the creator of the Playbook.com, and you are in the right place if you want to raise money smart kids and give them a solid financial foundation. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell. At a time when our kids are literally growing up in a cashless society, and when we are experiencing so much economic uncertainty, so much volatility in the market, it is crucial. It is absolutely crucial that as parents, we start teaching our children the importance of saving and investing money from a young age. And so at the Master Playbook, we are passionate about this. We are passionate about financial education, and I believe that it is never too early to start teaching your kids about money management. So today I want to give you 5 ways, 5 practical tips on how you can start teaching your children to save and invest their money. All right. Number one, I want you to start leading by example. Yes, our kids are watching us. They are mimicking us. They are imitating our every move. And we think it's so cute. But we also want them to start imitating healthy money habits. We want them to develop these healthy money habits. And in order to do that, you have to lead by example. Show your children how you manage your finances. It doesn't have to be the whole kit and caboodle. It can be a very small portion of the family budget, right? How do you manage the entertainment budget? How do you manage the food budget? But show them something so that they have a point of reference. Talk to them about how you set financial goals and how you save money, right? This is all about sparking those money conversations in the home. Second, I want you to actually encourage saving and investing. One of the best ways to teach our children about saving money is really to encourage them to save their own money, whether it's money earned from an allowance, whether it's money gifted to them as a birthday gift or money received from a holiday gift or from a small business that they may be running. You should be encouraging them to save a portion of it each week. And not only encouraging, I'm going to change that language just a little bit. I want you as a parent to set the expectation because a lot of times they aren't going to do it without, if it's optional. So we want to make it mandatory and really help them learn the value of money and the importance of setting these financial goals. All right. Third, I want you to help your child designate a specific space for them to save or for them to invest, depending on their age, right? For our younger kids, piggy banks, envelopes, jars, For our older kids, we really want to make sure that they are opening up um, an account at their local credit union or their local bank, where they have these special accounts just for young people. And I hear this feedback all the time. They're like, well, Holly, the banks and the credit unions don't pay a lot of interest. And I understand that. You're absolutely right. But the goal here is really just to get your child or your teenager in the habit of saving. In order to do that regularly, in order for them to do something habitually, right? They have to have a place to do it. There needs to be a routine to it. And so this will help them see how their savings are growing and give them a sense of personal accomplishment as well. Number four, I want you to help your child set their own financial goals. So think about how you can help them save for a new toy or a new game or a new outfit, right? This will give them that sense of purpose and motivation to save some money. Finally, number five, I want you as a parent to help make saving money fun. Okay. It doesn't have to be boring. So find ways to encourage your children to save money, to invest money. This could be creating a savings chart, right? So they're checking it off every $5 that they save. Or you can do what I call putting a little skin in the game. So you offer your child or teenager a reward for reaching a specific savings goal. And that reward could be either their favorite treat, more screen time, something that they're really going to value. Another reward could be if your teenager saves 50% of the amount of the item or the experience that they're saving for, you will gift them the other 50 cents, right? Or the other 50%. And all of this, all five of these tips, it's just so important for us to start taking these steps, being very intentional, because we want them to grow up to be financially responsible adults. And so by instilling these habits in your kids from a young age, we can really help our children build that strong foundation that's going to secure their financial future. And so at the Master Playbook, we believe that financial education is essential for everyone, right? And we are committed to providing these resources, providing the support to help you, to help your kids be better equipped to teach your children about money management. So I would love for you to check out our resources. You can go to themasterplaybook.com/store, or you can invite me to come out for an interactive and engaging workshop for you, for your family, for organizations that you may be involved in. But here's the most important thing: every day can be teach your child to save day, right? Every day. By taking the time just to teach your children about money management, you can really help them build a brighter financial future. It's all about planting the seeds. So, I trust that there is something that you gained out of our time together today. If so, I want you to like this, share this with friends and family, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more great information on how to raise money smart kids. I'll see you next time.